Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro Max, and let me show you how to allow your camera to scan QR codes. So first of all, let's enter the camera app by tapping, and now let's choose this 3 bars icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on the settings, and as you can see on the third position we've got scan QR code option. Now it is obviously off. If you want to turn it on, just tap on the switcher. So remember, if the switcher is on this position, then the option is on. If it looks like this, then the option is off, but let me leave it turned on. And be aware that only rear camera, so the main camera, can scan QR codes in the photo mode, so you cannot take it using the front camera. And of course, if you want to turn it off, just turn it off, but I highly recommend to leave it like this, because this is the fastest way to scan QR codes without any third-party apps, which you have to download. So actually, that's all. This is how to allow your camera to scan QR codes in your Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro Max. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.